WorldRemit Transfer Pending Fix. If your WorldRemit transfer is pending, do not worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. Step 1. Check your transfer status. Log into WorldRemit and open your transfer history to see the current status. Step 2. Confirm your payment went through. Make sure your card or bank payment was successful and not still pending. Step 3. Review verification request. Check for any ID or document request and submit them if needed. Step 4. Verify recipient details. Confirm the recipient's information is correct to avoid delays. Step 5. Allow processing time. Some transfers take longer due to checks, weekends, or holidays. Step 6. Contact WorldRemit support. If the transfer stays pending, contact WorldRemit support for help. Tips: don't send duplicate transfers, keep your receipts, and make sure your details match your ID. And that's it. You now know how to fix a pending WorldRemit transfer. Thanks for watching.